guys, you're welcome to another session of Heart to Heart with Carla. I remain your beautiful host, Carla, and today we have a very intriguing question. Ladies, listen up, okay? Now, he says, my girlfriend snores so loudly whenever we're sleeping. Is that enough grounds to end the relationship? This one is really dicey, but I'm going to let you send me your thoughts on WhatsApp. My number is always down below. Don't forget to send in your questions now. Let's go. Ladies, send your questions. Guys, send in what you think. Send your thoughts about it because your opinion matters too, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go. My phone is here, so I'm just looking through your questions one by one and your answers and your thoughts.
Give me back my phone. Let's talk about this.
Tommy, you do not know the kind of person I am.
Do not break my phone. Every time a conversation doesn't sit well with you, you start to destroy things. Why?
Am I supposed to pretend like I'm happy? Am I? What's your problem? We don't even spend time together. Every time you want to go to work. Why?
What do you mean we don't spend time together? We just literally spent 3 days together. I need to go out. I need to breathe some fresh air. I need to go to work.
It's not enough. Go to work for what? Now I'm going to smash your phone because if your work people can't reach you, then you have time for me.
Alora, please just give me back my phone. We can talk about it. We can discuss this. Breaking that phone is going to cost me a lot of money.
Oh, so now you prioritize your phone over your own girlfriend.
Jesus Christ.
Listen very good. If I want to spend time with you, you better make out that time. I don't care if your boss needs you. I don't care if you're needed at work. After all, it's my uncle's company. So what's your stress? You're not going to that work today, and that's final. Rubbish.
What's the problem with this?
Hey, babe. Hey, come here. I've missed you. Come here.
Stop it. Go, where have you been?
What is it?
Work, right? No, that's what you want to say to me.
Come on, babe. You know I'm a busy person. You know this.
A busy person that can't take just few minutes in a whole day to call his woman. No, you're busy, right? And I'm jobless.
Come on, I didn't say that. Look, I've had you in mind all along.
Right. Look, I can't deal with this. Please, just leave me alone.
Oh, come on, babe. Don't do this. Come on, babe. We don't have to fight over this now. Please. Babe. Babe, please. Come on. I already said I'm sorry. Please.
That's what you've been saying for 2 days now. Cole, you're getting sorrier and sorrier each day. It's exhausting.
I know. And that is why I am not trying to argue. Babe, I've missed you. I've had you in mind all day.
You make me lonely. Sometimes I ask myself why you engaged me when you know that you're not even going to be here.
Come on, babe, don't talk like that. I don't see myself loving anyone else. I've been very busy lately and you know this.
Look, I don't know anymore. How can you say you love me when I don't even see you? You don't spend time with me. Cole, I don't even talk to you. I'm engaged, yet I feel lonelier than a single woman. Is that love to you?
Babe, I already said I am sorry. And besides, I am here. And tonight, it's about to get hot. I'm warm, you know? Come here.
No.
What? Let me show you how much I've missed you.
Don't show me.
Come here. Come here, baby.
is ringing. After all, I bought him the phone.
Thanks for today. I just wanted to let you know that I got it. Thanks again. Remember I said I didn't want my husband to know. He stepped out, so I decided to call. Hello? Hello?
What? Hey. Have you seen my phone? What the hell?
The call has ended.
What was that? And why are you taking my calls when I'm at home?
So this is what you've been doing. This is what you have been busy doing.
I don't understand.
Does that help your understanding? Eh? You left me. You cancelled our plans because you want to frolic with married women? Because you want to eat the fruit of another man?
What fruit are you talking about? What is wrong with you, Alora? Why can't you ask me questions first?
Because you are a lying, cheating scum, that's what you are. Oh my God. You made me hit you again. Oh my God, why would you do this? You just deceived me. Why are you treating me like this?
How am I deceiving you? That woman was planning a surprise for her husband. She ordered some things for me and she told me she was going to call me when her order arrives. You can call and find out yourself. Take.
Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm so sorry. She made me do it, I swear. I'm sorry. Babe.
Babe,
Yes, babe.
my parents called. They want to know how we're going about the whole marriage stuff.
Babe, can we talk about this when we're arrested?
And then you go to your house in the morning. Babe, it's been 8 months. Look, I've been wearing this on my fingers for 8 good months without even you making any steps towards making this a reality, babe.
Don't you trust me?
I didn't see that.
Then calm down. Chill. I am putting things in place.
Babe, usually when men say that, they're doing absolutely nothing.
You know this. Mrs. Relationship Therapist. Blessed CEO. You think you know more than the men now, huh?
Babe, look, that's not what I said. All I'm saying is that just let me in on your plans. I'm just decorating my finger with this, and there's no progress.
Look, I'm expecting money. Something huge. And when it comes, you won't have to say too much. Okay?
Oh.
Think about it. You are a well-known relationship therapist. Do you want a tacky wedding? So calm down. Babe, when the money comes, you go feel it.
Babe, I'm not really keen on a big wedding. Babe, we can do something small, something that we can just...
No. I want something big and deserving of my baby. Okay? Let's do something we'll keep reminiscing over, even after the occasion itself. Okay?
Okay.
Babe,
I won't.
I love you. Okay? I do. I really love you. Come here.
Stop. Babe, look, see, we're going to make progress on this, right?
Yes, we will. Trust me. I know you can worry.
Leave me. What are you doing? What's going on?
Yeah.
What was that?
Nothing, babe. Look, I gotta go. I just got a call from my mom, so I need to be there immediately.
Oh, should I come with you?
Oh, no. Okay, your life should need you more. Remember, okay? Yeah. I'll give you a call, okay? Family matter.
Is everything going to be okay?
100%. Okay? Like I said, I'll give you a call, okay? Look, I'll call you. Yeah? I'll call you.
Oh, wait. I love you too.
Oh, so you finally opened the door after locking me out all night.
If that's why you're here, please, just let me be. You have your own house. I need my space.
Oh, come on, baby. It hasn't gotten to that. I'm sorry.
Alora. I love you. But you make loving you so damn difficult. Why can't you ask questions like normal people do? Huh? Must you be violent?
I'm sorry I overreacted. I've been thinking about it all night.
Yeah, you always think about it after you hurt me. How about you think before you jump into action? Wonder Woman. Thor.
Babe, stop all this name calling now. I said I'm sorry.
Please. I've heard you. Just give me some space, please.
Have you got a lighter?
Yeah. Always.
I trust you.
Oh yeah. Eating soap.
That tummy is trying me. It's just so difficult.
You and your boyfriend again. Babe, I don't tell you this thing, eh? Men this guy, You not sharp, babe. You they talk too much. It not supposed to be like that.
You think I haven't tried? I've done everything. This guy no just won't calm down for me.
Fine. Babe, we make and do this thing now, eh? When you don't they talk too much, your words no go the whole water again. You don't go whole ground.
No, V. I love this one. Eh? Leave him first. Well, okay, so the truth is I annoyed him today, I admit. Then he was now asking me for space. I don't know when that one starts.
Space.
No wahala. I've given him space. I guess we'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I guess so. Babe, you don't understand. You see this guy? I do love her. Besides, he's the only one that can tolerate my bad character, so this relationship cannot end. I'll pamper him, mend him when I need to, but ultimately I think we'll be fine.
Well, I think he still got you, Sha. But then, for his sake, he can go comply.
Yeah, I might go get ashtray. Everything will be fine, babe. When they laugh me, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm obsessed.
So what you're trying to say is, after dating her for 6 good years, you all of a sudden realize that she's too old and too loud for you? Now, it's one thing for you to be mean, and it's another level of wickedness for you to intentionally want to waste someone's time. I mean, let that queen go. She's going to find a man that truly and really deserves her. I believe that there's a man for every woman and there's a woman for every man. Okay? Guys, what I'm trying to say is, when you know that you're falling out of love, it is very evil for you to lie about it. It is. Anyways, we're going to take 2 more calls before we end the session for today. Okay? Hi, my name is Carla. How can I make you feel better?
Hi, my name is Tommy.
Oh, hi, Tom. How can I be of help today?
So there's this girl I'm currently dating. I really, really do love her, but right now she domestically abuses me.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
It makes loving her difficult. Once she senses anything she doesn't have time to verify or confirm, she destroys things. She even hits me.
Have you spoken to her about this?
Countless times, but it just gets worse. She projects it to me. I considered marrying this girl, but she's being influenced by the kind of lifestyle she lives, and I'm paying heavily for it.
Hell no. That is a big, bright red flag. I mean, if she does this to you while you're still dating, what is she going to do when you're married? She might kill you.
I don't know, but I really love her. At this point, it's as if I'm beginning to lose my mind.
She is wounded, and it's not your job to be her rebound. What she needs is rehab and time to heal from her wounds, and not a relationship.
You mean I should break up?
Is there a reason why you shouldn't, Mr. Tom?
We're engaged.
Mr. Tom, a failed foundation is better than a collapsed building. And right now, the foundation is already faulty. You need to end this and let her fix herself, for the sake of your sanity and your life.
Thank you very much, Carla. This was helpful.
You're welcome. Guys, we need to learn to walk away from relationships that might harm us. I believe that there's someone out there that will do right by you. Anyway, we have 30 more minutes for more questions, and I have a big announcement today. Hi, my name is Carla. How can I be of help today?
Oh, there you are, darling. I got something for you. But first...
Stop.
What do you mean stop? You're my boyfriend. Okay, yes, we've been having issues lately, but I mean, I just thought we should spice things up and then get on each other's good books.
Laura. Sit. We need to talk.
Is everything okay?
Do you like it?
Yes, babe, I love it. I don't think I'll ever not like any gift from you. Thank you so much.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
I love it, baby. Thank you.
Babe,
What?
what's your tomorrow like?
Why?
Because I would like to take you out tomorrow.
Babe, are you serious? Well, I would clear my schedule for you. Yes. Actually, I have a few meals to attend to,
Okay.
and I have a one-on-one session. It starts by 8 and ends by 12. But after that, babe, you have my time. You can take all my time.
Perfect.
Okay.
Tomorrow then. Okay?
Okay.
But babe, I gotta go right now. I have a lot to do. Will you be okay?
No, baby, look, I'll be okay if you decide to sleep here with me. Baby, please sleep with me tonight. Come here. Oh, baby, stay now, please.
Look, you know I'd love to stay here tonight. I really do. But then again, I have a lot to settle tonight. Okay? Don't worry, soon. Soon, baby.
Okay. Well, I was going to make an announcement on my live, but since I'm excited, I'll just make it tonight.
All right, baby. I love you, okay? Good night.
Baby, look, I can't wait for us to be a family. I mean, that way you won't have to go home because I'll be at home and you always come back to me.
Soon, baby. Soon. I don't see myself doing this with anyone else except you. Okay?
Yes, baby.
You make my world go round.
Yes, baby.
I mean it when I said this.
I believe you, baby. Good night.
Good night.
I'll miss you.
Oh, wait. I don't get. Crack that joke again. No, crack that stupid joke again because I'm not laughing yet. What are you saying to me?
It's over. I'm tired of doing this. It's driving me crazy. Please.
Oh,
I'm done.
Come on, babe. Every relationship has its ups and downs. We're in love.
Yeah, but love is not enough. Peace of mind, trust, and respect are paramount.
But I give you all these things and more. Tell me, I give you everything.
No, you don't. Look, I'm tired. Okay, I love my life. I'm really grateful for everything that you've done for me, but this is where it ends.
You're so silly. Babe, look. You need to stop this nonsense, alright? Let's talk, just calm down, have rough sex, and in the morning, you'll be more in love with me.
That's a problem with you. You don't listen. You're not listening to me. Honestly, I'm done. Please, just leave my house.
Which house? House that I paid for you. Are you mad? Is there something wrong with you? You lie, oh. If there's this, you have some small, stupid girls that are deceiving you, that are confusing you, you better tell them that it's game over. Because I'm not going anywhere. You see this relationship, we die here. Forever is still. So you better arrange your mind, program your mental health, and be ready for this relationship. Are you hearing me?
Just leave my house, please.
I should leave your house. Tommy! You ungrateful bastard!
guess it's time for everyone to know. What picture am I gonna use for this announcement? This one. This one is perfect. You've all been with me on this, right? Since I started it. I have an announcement to make. In a few months, I am going to say I do to him. Gosh, life is good. Life is so good. No. What is this? This must be a mistake. This can't be cool. No, this can't be cool. No. Is this not the guy flying cheesy around the world? Ah, they have deceived me. No good. Why is this happening to me? No, I can't handle this. I can't. No. I have to leave here. To hell with these people. To hell with this relationship therapist. To hell with the coaching. To hell with everything.
Oh, make we go teach this guy lesson now. See you, Alora, fine babe. What did they stop? Make we bust in 2 seconds, arrange am.
What did I even do to guy self?
I don't know. Make we go ask him. Because if you no ask him, me and you no go sabi this thing. Because I don't understand. What be the reason for all these things? He dump you for wetin? Ask condemn her. Because if you condemn yourself, get use. I don't understand.
Me, I know say the only thing where I know I don't do am. I just to beat am.
You see?
They beat am sometimes. Small beat, small slap.
You see?
Sometimes small kick. But that's all I dey train him since now. And it's always his fault. Now he dey vex me. Now he dey do anyhow.
Come, I don't say no fit just stand on the beat like that. He get why. The beat itself get why. It necessary.
Yes, now.
It necessary.
Yes, now.
I don't rap, but me say I want you now. See you sharp girls. See as everywhere sent. Everybody sabi you, Alora. Now you dey cry over man. Wetin be this? Fine. Wetin you want make we do am now?
I'll go and talk to him. I'll go and see him. Reason out something.
Don't worry. I'll talk to him. I can't talk to him. For person wey match you comot like say nothing dey sup. Na person wey you wan go talk to be that. I better talk another thing. I be get another man wey I no know.
No. 4 years of my life. I dey am for 4 years. They humble. But now this guy don't grow wings. So if we use more violence now, I feel go spoil everything. I don't want to make my 4 years just cast. So I don't try violence, no work. Make I try peace now. I'll go and see him. Everything will be fine. I know say the guy love me. Oh. He love me. They mocked me with doing so.
I know, Seth. The guy got you. But if he do anyhow, he Seth go see anyhow. Because who him be? You strong bandit. Who him be?
Who he literally be?
Who him be?
Who he be?
You see him?
Oh, there you are. Oh, I see you thinking about me. Lovely.
What are you doing here?
I just came to talk to you. See, I understand last night, emotions were high. We were all up in our feelings.
Wait. What were you thinking? That I was going to sleep it away and wake up today so we can continue the relationship?
Yeah. Do you know what vows are, Tommy?
Excuse me?
I did a lot for you. Things that no girl would for a man. And in return, you promised, no, you vowed to love me forever, Tommy. I take vows seriously.
Alora.
And so does God.
Alora, can't you see that my hands are tied?
No?
I loved you, and I still do. But this is toxic. If I stay here, I might die.
Are you calling me a killer?
Look, please just leave my house. You have no business being here, okay?
Oh, lovely. Baby, do you know what God says about vows?
Look, you know nothing about God. Can you just stop this, please?
He says that if you make a vow, you do not delay in fulfilling it. And that is exactly what you're going to do by me. I will not allow you sin against God.
Alora, just go, okay? You're starting to sound crazy. Please just go.
Oh, crazy? You want to see crazy? Listen. Tell me whatever nonsense you call yourself. This relationship can never end. You made the vow and you must fulfill it. Oh my God, see now you've made me angry. You keep making me do things to you. Okay, all right. I'll go. I'll leave you for a while. Allow you think about me. Allow you think about me. Think about the sin you're about to commit by breaking our vow. And then after some time, I'll be back and we'll pick up from where we stopped because that's what's going to happen between two of us. Get it? All right, have a lovely day, my love. I see you thinking about me. I'll send you a newer picture. I don't even like this picture. Bye. Have a lovely day.
This girl is Alex, you need to come and change my lock immediately. Okay? I'm leaving this house.
everybody's still talking about this? Why? Hello, can you just leave me alone? What's all this rubbish? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't see you. I was having a bad day. I'm so sorry. It's a mistake.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Just calm down. It's okay.
What can I do? What can I do to make you feel better? I feel bad. I hit you real hard. Did I hurt you?
No,
Okay.
you didn't hurt me.
All right.
Drinks. Let's have drinks later. You're staying in this hotel, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So pick a convenient time for you. Then we can have drinks.
Thank you so much for not making a fuss, okay? I'm really sorry.
okay.
I was just having a very bad day.
It's not a
that's
big
all.
deal. I'm sorry about, everything.
All right, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure.
How can I call you?
Yeah, let me take your number. Just
Okay, Zara,
I'll just give you mine. So
Thanks. It's okay. All right.
sure. Yeah.
Sorry,
yeah, it's okay. Take it easy.
I'm
Yeah.
okay.
Mhm.
Hello? Stop it!
Oof. She's really having a bad day. Wow. This girl is way finer in person. All right. Flight mode.
Excuse me?
You shouldn't look at the phone. I know what happened, Carla.
You know me?
You're famous. Almost everyone with a phone knows you. I recognized you from earlier, but I didn't want to startle you. My name is Tommy. I called in during your last session about my fiancé who abuses me. Remember?
So I remember the
Yeah.
one who I told to call quit with the relationship.
Mm-hmm.
How's that going? Are you still together?
No, I ended it.
Oh.
Yeah. I just came here to clear my head. Also, she came to my place, but I don't want to see her because
Because what?
she's crazy. She's very unstable, and who knows what she might do next. I needed to get away from my house for my own sanity.
Wow. I mean, welcome to the team. I left my house because I don't want Cole to come back with fresh lies. So I had to come here to calm down, clear my head, go back home and start on a clean slate.
I understand. Trust me, I do.
Drink up. Flies will get in. Cheers?
Yeah. So, hey, since it's been established that we both stay here, how about I come by at yours occasionally to check in on you and make sure that you're doing fine,
That'll be nice, Tom.
right?
I'll love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Who's there?
Hey.
Hey.
I stepped out a few hours ago and I got these for you.
Thanks. Well, I'm not hungry though. I lost my appetite since dawn.
For who? For a guy that's probably chilling in another woman's arms? I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way.
No, it's okay. You're right. How are you though?
I'm good. I mean, I'm just, I'm hanging in there.
You should.
Yeah.
I mean, shit happens and this is ours.
Right.
Thank you so much for this. Do you want to come in because we can't keep standing here like this?
No. I should let you settle in and rest. It's been a long day for both of us. I will see you at breakfast tomorrow.
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, Carla?
Yes.
Remember that those trolls are still out there. So maybe don't go through your phone except it's very, very urgent.
Yeah.
Yeah. You shouldn't allow a bunch of strangers ruin your vibes.
Yeah.
See you at breakfast?
Yeah, sure. Right.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? This guy, they snub me. They snub me.
Laura, you don't they make me talk too much and I don't like her. You don't too soft for this guy matter. Waiting they happen. We don't teach so many bunnies and so many guys. Let's see. But once you reach this guy matter, you too soft. Laura, waiting they soft.
Hannah soft. No mistake my gentility for stupidity. I dey use sense for Laura. But it seems like this guy means business.
So now, waiting you want to talk. Action.
I did everything for this guy. You don't get it. I did a lot for him, and all I asked in return is for him to just be loyal to me and give me a reason to trust him. And what did he do in return? He kicked me out. He kicked me out. I will surely teach him a lesson. Just give me time. Let me think.
Laura.
You go feel him. I will deal with him mercilessly.
Smoke that one, self. Go your temper. Make her arrange this one now.
You say fast now.
Okay, no vex.
You know what's crazy? I'm the one who got cheated on, yet I'm the same person everyone is insulting online.
Well, I like to see some things as God protecting us from imminent danger.
My love is dangerous?
The person you loved is dangerous. Imagine being married to someone like that. One night you're home waiting for the love of your life to come back. Meanwhile, he's busy touring the world with some Instagram baddie.
It's embarrassing.
Yeah.
I mean, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I miss her. I mean, we're a complete opposite of each other. She's wild, energetic, crazy, and quick to action, but she had her good sides. She helped me when I had nothing.
It's not like you just folded your hand and just watched her. You touched her life too.
I thought about that last night. I feel guilty, but then with each passing day, I fear her more.
Why?
The life she lives, the kind of company she keeps. I feel like if I didn't take your advice, she would have destroyed my life.
Nobody is going to be destroyed or getting destroyed, okay? We came here to run away from the whole world and just find peace and relax. So let's do that and get back to our lives, okay?
So,
You want a challenge?
are you going back to relationship coaching?
No, don't even go there. Stop it.
All right.
Stop. It's too fast.
Time. Thinking about it, It wasn't such a bad idea coming out here after all.
Yes, I guess you're right. As long as nobody recognizes me, I'm fine.
How do you do it?
What?
Being in the spotlight where strangers feel like they can have a say or opinion about your life.
Don't we all live lives where we're constantly under scrutinization? It's just that some of us get it more often than others.
Look, I know you probably get this very often, but you're good. You are super good at what you do.
Really?
Yeah. But I became more invested when my issues with Alora got serious. I wanted to know if there were guys like me out there.
Did you find them?
I found out that people were going through wars.
Yeah.
Remember the guy that his wife ran away with his child?
Yes, I remember. And the one that cheated on his wife and traveled to get married to a white woman? What about the girl that almost got poisoned by her own man?
Mm-hmm. You know, it may not look like that right now, but you touched lives. I'm an example.
I'm so honored to hear that.
I'm sure that there are people out there who genuinely appreciate you for what you do. Always remember that.
You know, in the midst of all this drama, this is a soul lifting thing to hear. Thank you.
Do you swim? It may help get the weight of everything you're feeling off your shoulders.
Oh, no, yes, I swim, but you know, I love it here. I just want to feel the breeze, the water, my legs.
You can't swim. Confess.
Yes, you caught me. I can't swim.
So, why we say, yeah, I love it here, the breeze, the water.
But my legs can move.
The way you were saying it, like, you know, I love to sit out here and enjoy the view, you know, just
Stop it.
We're together and that's fine. That's fine, you and I, baby. You and I. Oh, we're cruising in the middle of love game. You and I, baby. You and I. We're together and that's fine.
Finally! Are you tired of running? Welcome home, my darling.
What are you doing here?
Give it to me.
Give what to you?
You know what's funny? I gave you everything because I love you. I did a lot for you. All for love. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I get really angry, but who is perfect? No one. The fact is, I love you and I have been there for you.
And God knows that I loved you too. But please, let's not go there.
So why have you been running? You haven't been at home for a few weeks now.
I do not answer to you. Besides, why are you standing guard at my house?
We've been through a lot together. You'd be a joker if you think I'm just going to let that slide. Just give it all up. I'm not giving up on us. I gave you time, weeks, to put your head in order and just come back to me. But I can clearly see that the madness is not leaving you anytime soon. So, I'm here for what I own.
What exactly do you want?
Everything. Everything I gave to you, Tommy. This house you live in, this car, your job, every damn thing I gave to you because I made you. Oh, and about your job, I called my uncle. He said you took a few weeks leave. I told him I want to do the honors of telling you that you are not going back to that company. That you are fired. Never welcome back into the company.
Laura, you can't do that.
Oh, I have done it. I want the keys to this car, please, if you don't mind.
Look, you can't take everything away from me because things are no longer working between us.
Oh, really? You want everything I own, but you don't want me. Are you not a thief? Useless thief. Give me back my keys. Hand me the keys, don't waste my time. Gold digger. And I will come for the house later. You better start looking for another house. Rubbish. Thief, that's what you are. Ungrateful thief.
My wallet.
Get
My
out.
wallet is in that...
Nonsense.
Tommy! Tommy, where have you been? You're not taking my calls? You've not even been in your room. What's going on? Is it me? Is it something I did? Did you see I did something again online? What is it?
It's not about you, okay? It's me. But don't worry, I'll be alright.
No. You're not going to push me away. You're my closest friend. Tommy, you're my only friend right now. Come, let's go and talk about it. Let's go. I understand you perfectly.
I really loved her. But sometimes I ask myself, is love really enough? I mean, I know no one is perfect, but come on.
I know. And that doesn't make you a bad person. I'm sure if tables were turned, she wouldn't stay. Look, sometimes you need to prioritize you.
Do you know that I actually have scars all over my body?
What?
It's as if when one wound is trying to heal, she comes up with a new way of adding another wound to my body.
No one should do that. Look, just stop beating yourself about it. Please.
I've lost everything. My job. It feels like I'm starting life afresh.
It's okay. Look, just calm down, okay? Look, sometimes in life you have to make sacrifices to make yourself happy. Just find somewhere else. And by the way, you look happier now. That's a start.
All thanks to you. I found a new friend and you make me so happy. You give me so much joy. You just have a way of uplifting my spirit.
And you too. Look, your destiny isn't tied to anyone else but you. So just find another place. Even if it's not as good as your former job, at least it's a start. What do you think?
Thank you, Carla. I mean it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I was thinking, in as much as I love it here, I think it's time for me to go back home. I'm strong enough. What do you think?
I was thinking the same thing too, but there are memories back home. There's no guarantee that we won't go back to being sad.
Look, memories are part of life. You can't run away from it. And besides, the trolls have stopped too.
I'm sorry about that.
I mean, it's okay. Memories are part of life. You can't run away from it. You can't run away forever. What?
You make me so happy. And if the memories at home are too much for us to handle, maybe it's time for us to make new memories together.
Are you asking me out?
If I am, would you say yes?
Well,
I think I have my answer.
No, it's not what you think, really.
It looks like a clear yes to me.
Stop.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what's up? Have you applied? Tommy?
I'm still looking around.
What are you looking around for? I gave you an email. Send it to the email. It's a short job.
Look, can I be honest with you?
Okay.
I'm scared of being disappointed again. I'm scared of being helped by a woman again. What if I lose everything again? Is that how I'm going to keep living my life?
No. I would never do that to you, okay? I would never. Even if we break up, I'm never going to take anything back. Besides, we've shared some core memories, remember?
Carla.
Stop it. Just apply, please. What?
Babe, you bring so much joy and peace to my life. I almost forgot what that feels like. It's been weeks and we've never had a major fight. It's amazing. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Look, I really love to stay and chat with you and do some other stuff for you, but I have to go. Yes.
Come on, we can stay for another 30 minutes.
No, I have to go.
Please stay.
Let's go. Get up.
You know what? Fine. I'm going to walk you out, but before
Thank
then,
Mm-hmm.
I'll have one more kiss for the road.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. And I'm going to get one more kiss for good luck, just before you get to
No?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Yeah, let me just apply one more for good vibes, you know? Yeah. And then one more for
No!
solidarity.
No, what's wrong with you?
I got you now. I got you now. Nonsense. I will not be trifled with. Tommy, you can't play with me. I, Laura Douglas, I'm not one to be played with. I'll show you guys a lesson. I will show you a bitter lesson. Okay. No wahala.
Hey. Jesus Christ. That crazy psycho. You.
Now I have your attention. You want to meet? Or should I go in and say hi to your dirty little sidekick?
I swear to God, if you touch her.
Good. I'll be with you shortly. Keep the door open. Bye.
Shit.
Oh, ooh la la.
What the hell do you want?
Oh, baby. Get us a bottle of alcohol and 2 glasses so we can discuss our drinks.
I will do no such thing. What do you want?
True? This guy dey mad. You say na lizard dey follow talk, abi na children dey follow talk. You comport, abi no comport.
So that is the trash you stopped loving me for. I mean, that's the reason you just, poof, suddenly stopped caring about me.
Laura, our chapter is over. This is a whole new book and your character is not in it.
True? I don't make her knock this one 2 by 2.
Just take it easy. Novi, calm down. You can follow me. Tommy, you know me. I am very dangerous. So don't try me.
Look, I do not appreciate you and your friend coming to my house. What do you want? You took everything from me. What else do you want? Why can't you just move on?
That's never going to happen. Where did she come out from? When did you even meet her? That trash asked you to dump me and you just threw everything we had?
That's because we're not compatible. I'm sure you're going to meet someone who is going to love you, but that person is not me.
I beg, humble this guy. Humble him. I don't get that.
We don't try follow you talk. We don't try follow you reason. As people we get sense. But you don't want get sense. You don't want get sense. About be waiting they sob. Waiting they happen. See, get something you go do for me. I go do a nah. You carry your phone. You call that your babe. Then you cut everything with the between una. Then you go start love. Your baby. Your baby.
Which baby?
Shade, is this one play? Go down here, Shade. See this guy, you see how they follow you play? And they follow you talk?
Calm down. Why do we need to waste our energy and time hurting him? Wouldn't it be easier and far more pleasurable to hurt his baby girl? I know where she lives now. Let's go.
What? Please. Okay, I'm begging you.
Let's go.
Alora. Yes. Please.
You know what to do, darling. You know what to do. Bye, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, what's going on?
Okay,
Okay.
Okay. Babe, you need to listen to me very carefully.
Okay. What the hell? Look, if she's this dangerous, let's go to the police. Let's go.
Baby, I'm just going to spend the night here. If she does anything or tries to, then we can go to the police. Okay? Look, we'll come up with a plan later.
No. Babe, the plan is the police. Let's go now. While we're here, let's go.
Baby, just calm down, okay? Her issue is with me and not with you. I'm sure she won't try to hurt you.
You sound so sure.
Because I am. Okay, I thought it was right for you to know.
Why is all this happening now that I've found real happiness? Why?
Babe, listen. Everything is going to be alright. Okay? No matter what she does, nothing is going to change. Alright?
You sure?
100%.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you okay?
Yes, I want to go pick up something down the road. It's not so far, so it won't take long, okay?
Okay. Please. Be safe. Bye.
Yes. Don't miss me too much. Take care.
Carla. What happened?
Babe, my car.
What happened to your car?
My car is destroyed, babe.
What?
Someone tampered with my car. And then my brake malfunctioned and I ran into a fence, babe.
Sorry, just calm down, okay?
Someone did this to me because I drove my car yesterday. I drove it yesterday. I know I couldn't.
You're fine, okay? So, you know, we need to get you to a clinic, okay?
There they are. I see you survived.
It was you. You did that to her car. Are you sick?
No try it.
For every time
See.
your mouth leak, you go collect.
Step back! Take. Oh, yes. I did it. I figured with her completely out of the picture, you'll come back to your senses about you and I. Luckily for you, your car crashed earlier than we planned. It should have happened on 3rd Mainland Bridge or some big express.
Why are you doing this? This man clearly doesn't love you anymore.
Watch your tongue. So who does he love? You? Guy, you remember this clown? I remember you from your video. Especially your engagement video. Congrats, sis. So how's that working out for you? Where is he? Oh, I forgot. He's with his real woman. And you're just a side piece. So because you couldn't steal that one, it's now my man that you want to take. And you think you're okay.
So you think that he's just an object that can be taken? A man goes where he finds peace.
Thank you. You just used your mouth to tell me that you don't give Cole peace and that's why he walked.
Can you please stop? I'm begging you. Okay, you need to end this now. I'm sure that someday you're going to find someone who is going to love.
If I can't have him, then nobody will. You get that? You need to end this now. Else, I'll end the both of you. And you, I got my eyes on you. You need to watch your back. You know I don't play. I don't bluff. You know me very well, Tommy. Guy, let's bounce. Go, look at them.
How the hell did you end up with someone like that?
Sorry. Take it easy. I'm sorry that you have to go through all of this.
Let's go to the police. Let's go to the police, please. First she threatened me and then she and her rogue friends attacked me. Let's go to the police. Let's go.
We can't do that. Okay, this girl rolls with very dangerous people. If we go to the police, she'll try to hurt you just to get to me.
I don't know how long I can hold on. I'm trying out.
Sorry.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, no, just stay here. I'll go check who's at the door.
No, I'm not going.
Okay.
Tommy, please be careful, okay?
Laura, I have a weapon here and I won't entertain any more of your threats. Do you hear me?
What is that?
I don't know.
No, please. No, don't open it. Take it outside. Please don't open it. I beg you. No, Tommy. Find out what. What is all this now? What is all this? What is this? When is all this going to stop?
It's okay.
It's not okay. I'm tired.
It's fine. It's Babe, if you're not comfortable, we can cancel the dinner outing. Okay?
No, babe. I'm scared of what that mad woman will do. I won't let her detect how I live my life. It's been so quiet. I'm not even ashamed to say that I'm scared.
Who knows? Maybe she's come to terms with the fact that I'm not interested and she's moved on.
No. She doesn't come off to me like a quitter. I feel like she's going to do something different this time. I mean, your ex sent us feathers with blood in it. She's threatening to kill us.
Mary, don't worry about her, okay? The most important thing is that she doesn't stand a chance. Come here. I'm gonna give you a very special, warm hug.
I'm still scared.
What scared?
So, these fools think that if they lay low, I will not be able to get to them. He's not picking my calls. He won't even reply my text. Hello? Oh yeah, now no, I go do one for you now. Thank you very much, 100. I go do one. What's up? My eye just tell me say Carla and Tommy don't come off our house. So, they still get mind. They do love in Tokyo. After everything I've done to scare them. That girl don't get shame. She don't like her life. Can't she just get angry, get scared, and leave my man alone? We will give them reason to dey fear now. The thing be say, we don't give them plenty reasons they don't want fear, so we go give them reason now. She na for the ban image lift on me abi. That one na smarty. Make the call. This nonsense go stop today. No one gets sense. And go hear word. Guy, where your Mendy? Divide them into two. I'll send you 2 addresses. Now listen very carefully to what I'm about to say to you.
I'm okay with it.
Deal with him. Stop it, damn it! Don't hit my man! Stop! Get away from her, you fool! I hate you so much, Tommy. I hate you so dumb. Can you just stop? Stop it! Shut up!
Just stop. Please, Laura, I'm begging you, stop. Okay, this is not going to change anything. Okay, I'm not going to love you because of this. Please. Okay, you need to stop it. Okay, please.
Tell the boys to activate my final plan now. Go to hell.
Laura, please. Enough is enough. Please. You need to stop. You need to end this. Please. Sorry.
Waiting. Novi. He likes this girl. He really likes this girl. None of our plans are working.
Which one be none of our plans are working? Time say they go flog and which one be?
He blocked it. He literally used his body to cover her and he took all the beating. He has never done that for me before.
Laura, not lie.
And the more I try to separate them, the more they fall helplessly in love with each other. How far? What? How? I hope no one was caught. Okay, fall back to base. I'll wire you some money. Good.
Etinosa.
The people were sent to Carla's house. The neighbors suspected them and called security. They were nearly caught. None of our plans are working. None.
Alora. If this guy no really send anything, even if we hot that in Bani, you no go look your way again. See, this one don't go. You no need to waste time and energy, okay? Just let them. Free her.
But I still love him.
Oh, he love you. That's the question. He love you. Laura, for life, you get time we will go away. You get time self we will go lose. You know if you predict them at all. But if you self look front, you're gonna see better different. You're not a sharp girl now. Laura, you're not a sharp girl. Look front, better different.
I did everything for him.
I know.
I did everything for him.
I know.
Under his Muslim, I won't break up. I did more than that for him. So, with him is love. No relationship is perfect, for God's sake.
This is crazy. I can't even believe this is happening. It's like I'm going crazy.
What is it?
Someone kept my gas on in my house. Thankfully, my neighbors were there to turn it off before my house caught fire.
What? How is that possible? I mean, you've been here for days. Wait. Alora. That girl is crazy.
Your ex tried to do this. Your ex tried to set my house ablaze, Tommy. She has hurt me, she has tampered with my car, she has threatened me, and now my house?
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm leaving. Because it's obvious these people won't stop until one of us is dead.
Baby, no one is dying. Okay, we stick together. I'm sure she'll get tired eventually.
She wouldn't. What if I had gone home? What if I was sleeping? They're willing to set me ablaze too?
Okay, fine. We'll report to the police station. We'll get a restraining order
A
or something.
restraining order on thugs. Thugs, Tommy! Let me just go.
Babe, no, come on. You can't do that. You'll be giving her exactly what she wants.
I'd rather give her what she wants than watch her harm one of us. What if she kills us?
It's not going to happen, okay?
Look, Tommy, I love you, okay? I love you so much. But this is a matter of life and death. And I can't watch that happen. I can't let her kill any of us, so I'm done. It's over. We are done.
Okay. Fine, you can go. But not tonight. Okay? I love you too much to let you leave here tonight. Please.
Just leave me alone. Just go. I'm tired. What if I was in my house?
can't accept defeat. I can't keep letting her treat me like this. No.
Why does something have to happen anytime I'm genuinely happy? Your phone, dear. I don't want to talk to anybody. Even tell me. What?
You refuse to take my calls.
I just did. What do you want?
Aren't you happy to hear from me? After trying relentlessly to tear everything away from me.
You really don't love me anymore, do you?
You made sure I unfelt every single thing I felt for you.
You're not even scared to admit it.
And why should I be? I have nothing to lose anymore.
You know what? You're right.
Yes, she broke up with me after your men tried to start a fire in her house. How far are you willing to go for a man who doesn't feel a thing for you?
How far am I willing to go? The more I go deeper and darker into all of these schemes, the more I'm afraid I'm going to lose myself. Tommy. Tommy. You know what? I'm done. I'm done as well. Look, I'm done trying to win you over. I'm done. I'm done trying to own you. I'm done killing myself for a guy who doesn't even care about me. I am just done. You can go to her. You can go to hell for all I care. I'll be fine. I'm good. But just know this. I loved you. I would have given you the world. I have plans for you. Plans for us.
You don't abuse someone you love. If that's love to you, you need to reconsider your lifestyle, the drugs you do before the next man comes by. Bye, Alora. I hope we never meet again. You've done enough for different lifetimes.
Tommy, wait. Tommy, wait, I love you. I love you, Tommy, please, no. I'm okay. I'm okay. No, I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Seth, don't try. You don't.
Fine.
Well, it's been a few months of drama, but you're welcome to another episode of Heart to Heart with Carla. Now we've gotten lots of messages, emails, and I've taken out weeks to sort them out. And the first on our list is, I'm going to read it out to you. Now he said,
Carla? Carla, I know you can hear me.
Tommy?
It's sorted. Okay, we can finally be together. Babe, she agreed to stop, okay? It's over.
Tommy!
It's over.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Finally, babe. Finally. Yeah?
Carla, you're alive. They can see us. They can see everything.
I don't care. Look, I don't care anymore. Come. Guys, I have another announcement to make. This is Tommy, the love of my life.
Oh, hi guys.